Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Cleanliness in Islam. Eat pure food. Many years ago, in the city of Rome, it was illegal to worship Allah, the One. If anyone believed and worshipped one God, the evil king would torture and even kill them. There was one group of young people who wanted to worship Allah freely, so they escaped from the city and hid inside a cave. The king's army searched for them everywhere, but Allah protected them by sealing the cave with a huge boulder. Then Allah allowed them to sleep for many years, 300 years to be exact. This is why they are now known as the people of the cave. In Surah Al Kahaf, Allah says that when He finally woke them up from their sleep, they had no idea how long they had been sleeping. They thought they might have been asleep for a few hours, or maybe even a full day. The only thing they knew for sure was that they felt very hungry. Even though they thought it was risky to leave, they decided that one of them would go back to the city to buy some food for everyone. Before leaving, one of them advised him, and be sure to buy food from a clean and pure place. Even though they had not eaten for 300 years, the people of the cave still made sure that the food they ate was pure and halal.
Let him find out which of them has the purest food.
It is from the manners of the prophets to be clean.